Jordan brand continues its move into the luxury space with the release of the new Jordan Monogram Duffle Bag. Blending streetwear roots with high-fashion flair, the duffel features an all-over monogram print showcasing the Wings logo and 23 motif. Bold red and black color blocking, black leather straps, silver hardware, and a mini Air Jordan 1 hangtag elevate its upscale appeal. Piping trims and structured paneling add a refined, designer-inspired look. Beyond its premium aesthetic, the bag is also highly functional with dual handles, a detachable shoulder strap, and a wide zip-top opening for convenience. Priced at $150, it offers a stylish and accessible gateway into Jordan brand's growing luxury lineup. Set to launch this summer, the Jordan Monogram Duffle will be available on Nike.com and through select Jordan brand retailers. This drop reflects Jordan brand's ongoing evolution from sportswear staple to street luxury icon.